Welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'll show you how to remove cameos on Snapchat. So first open your Snapchat app, and from here tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, and from here tap on the settings at the top right corner, and you will go right here on your settings and scroll down until you find cameos right here. So tap this one and you'll find your cameos. Now under that actions, you can actually change your cameo selfie, and you can actually change your cameo's body type. And here you can actually change the settings in this use my cameos selfie right here to only me. And at the bottom, you can also change the settings to see my cameo selfie in ads. But if you want to remove, delete, or disable these cameos on your Snapchat, all you need to do is tap this clear my cameo selfie at the bottom. So once you tap this one, a message shows up here saying this will delete your current cameo selfie, selected body type, and related photo data. You will have to take a new cameo selfie to be able to access cameos. So to confirm that one, tap this clear button. So that's how you basically remove these cameos on your Snapchat. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.